That's pretty cool. Got the Victoper 3000 lumen bike light. This thing's super bright. This is the second one of these I've got, and I thought I'd do a little video for you. This one was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. I'm going to get some night videos too, show you what it looks like at night. But first of all, let me show you what you get with this. It comes packaged really nicely in bubble wrap and boxed up. You get the actual light unit itself. You get the tail light. You get a bracket for the tail light and a bracket for the front light. Set of instructions and a reminder to put this bracket on the right way. And you get two charging cables, USB-C cable for the big guy here and a smaller charging cable for the light itself, because these items are rechargeable, which is what makes this awesome. There's a charging port for when you want to plug it in and charge it up. And this thing actually also works as a power bank too, which is cool. So if you're out on the road on your bike or your electric scooter or whatever, you can use this to charge up your phone. In the manual, it points out that this is IP65 waterproof protection, and you got these little rubber guards on the back that are also waterproof, which is cool. The taillight's actually kind of cool too. So this is just one of those rubber straps that wraps around, you lock it into place and you're good to go. You've got a charging port right here in the back. Slide this thing onto here, snap it into place and you're good to go. And there's a button on top that gives you a series of lights, which I think this is kind of cool. It's one of my favorite features. So it's got red, it's got blue, got flashing red, it's got SOS on there. It's got flashing blue and red, and back to off again. So onto the light itself. Very durable metal. This thing's made out of metal. You believe that? And it comes with a charging cable. I'm just going to show you what it looks like when it's plugged in. So when you get this, mine came at 75% charge. So when you plug it in, it's got a series of lights on there to let you know how far along the charging progress it is. You can see I'm at 75%. All right, so I'm going to install this light bracket on this bar that I've attached to my scooter. It's basically about the size of a bicycle handlebar. First thing you want to do is make sure you got this thing going the right direction, and the way you do that is test it, locked in place. I know it's locked because if I had it backwards it wouldn't work, it slides off. So this way is correct. I got this button, I'm going to release it. I know that it needs to go on like this. Now in this case I could just slip this guy on here because I got enough room, but if you wanted to, you know, you would release this lever, wrap it around here and do all that, but I've got enough room where I could slip it over the side right here. So that's what I'm going to do. Slide it around a little bit, but you tighten her down. Don't want it too tight because I want to make sure I got enough clearance between my phone mount and this thing. I have it loose enough to be able to adjust it. So there, I've got it down a little bit. I don't want it super tight, so I want to be able to adjust it when I'm on the scooter. Normally this would wrap around the back of your bicycle and put it on there, so I'll just demonstrate it like this. If I wanted to, I could put this thing on here just like this and have some extra protection while I'm riding at night. Now that I've got my light mounted right next to my phone, I could actually use this port right here to charge my phone while I'm riding. Setting 1. That's going to be top 2 on high. There's the top 2 on low. There's the bottom 2 on high. There's the bottom 2 on low. There's all 4 on high. Look at that. There's all 4 on low. There's pulsing. And off again. Pretty intense light.